Good morning, dear students. We are discussing the chapter Organic Synthesis via Enolates. लास्ट वीडियो में हमने जो टॉपिक स्टार्ट किया था दैट इज एल्काइलेशन ऑफ मेलोनिक एस्टर. नाउ द एल्काइलेशन ऑफ मेलोनिक एस्टर इट इज done due to the presence of two acidic hydrogens and it will convert into the mono or dialkyl derivative. This process is the alkylation of malonic ester, and this process will follow two steps. The first step is the formation of enolate anion, and the second is the alkylation of this enolate with the alkyl halide via the SN2 reactions. Now formation of enolates. फर्स्ट स्टेप हम डिस्कस करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप में जस्ट आपके पास मेलोनिक एस्टर होगा. इट विल रिएक्ट विद द सोडियम इथोक्साइड एज अ बेस टू फॉर्म द इनोलेट आयन, एंड इन द सेकेंड स्टेप दिस इनोलेट आयन विल रिएक्ट to form with the alkyl halide via SN2 mechanism to form the monosubstituted malonic ester. Again हमारे पास इस monosubstituted malonic ester में एक एसिडिक हाइड्रोजन प्रेजेंट है. सो अगेन क्या होगा, second mole of strong base will react with this to form the second enolate anion, and this enolate ion will again react with the second mole of alkyl halide to form the di-substituted malonic ester. If we compare the reactivity, then tertiary alkyl halide will not undergo substitution reaction but it will undergo the elimination reaction. Similarly, enolates, they can also undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction with the alpha ketones or the alpha haloesters. Now we have to start the topic malonic ester synthesis. That means malonic esters, they can be easily prepared via the enolate anion, and another feature is that they can be easily hydrolyzed to form the to form the dicarboxylic acid, and these dicarboxylic acid are heated above their melting point to form the monocarboxylic acids. Now the general procedure remains is we have to take the monosubstituted malonic ester. It will react with 2 mole of a strong base like NaOH, and 2 mole of the ethyl alcohol will release to form the, firstly we will get a sodium salt of monoalkyl malonic ester, which upon acidic hydrolysis will form the di-substituted malonic ester, that is the alkyl malonic ester, and we will heat this dicarboxylic acid to above its melting point to form the monocarboxylic acid. Now there are three features of this malonic ester synthesis. What are that? The three features are, the first one is that the malonic ester contain 2 alpha hydrogens between the 2 carbonyl group. That is why it can form a resonance stabilized. It will form a resonance stabilized anion, that is enolate anion, by reaction of a strong base. The first feature is this. The second feature is that the enolate anion, it will undergo, this enolate anion is strongly nucleophilic in nature, and it will undergo nucleophilic in nature and undergo SN2 reaction with alkyl halide etc. to form the substituted malonic esters, to form the substituted malonic ester. And the third feature is that the substituted malonic ester, it will undergo hydrolysis. It will undergo hydrolysis readily, hydrolysis to form the dicarboxylic acid, and upon heating it will form the monocarboxylic acid. सो ये प्रोसेस हमारे पास सेम रहेगा। सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, इनोलेट एनायन प्रिपेयर करेंगे। इनोलेट एनायन के बाद हम उसको रिएक्ट कराएंगे एल्काइल हैलाइड के साथ, या फिर आपके पास जो भी आपने प्रोडक्ट में एल्काइल पार्ट रखना है या एसाइल पार्ट रखना है उसको हम लेके चलेंगे। और थर्डली हम क्या करेंगे, उसकी हाइड्रोलिसिस करेंगे ताकि वो डाइकार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड में चेंज हो जाए, और उस डाइकार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड को हम क्या करेंगे, उसके मेल्टिंग पॉइंट से अबव हीट करेंगे सो दैट इट कैन चेंज इनटू द मोनो कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड। सो हमारे पास क्या है, इस प्रोसीजर से हम काफी सारे डाइकार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स बना सकते हैं। और सबसे पहले अगेन प्रोसेस इसमें क्या रहेगा, सेम ही रहेगा। तो सबसे पहले जो हमने स्टडी करनी है दैट इज द सिंथेसिस ऑफ मोनो alkyl acetic acids. Synthesis of monoalkyl acetic acid, that means the general formula remain. Acetic acid is what? It is CH3COOH, COOH. Now in this, one of the hydrogen is replaced by the R group, that is why it is the monoalkyl acetic acid, RCH2C OH. So this is it. So हमें यहाँ पर क्या है, मोनो एल्काइल एसिटिक एसिड प्रिपेयर करनी है। सपोज फर्स्टली हमें यहाँ पर जो प्रिपेयर करना है, वी हैव टू सिंथेसिस ऑफ द एन ब्यूटायरिक एसिड from the malonic ester. What is the formula for N-butyric acid? Now in this group remains the same. Butyric acid, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have to prepare this N-butyric acid from the malonic ester. So firstly we will take the malonic ester COOC2H5 twice. Firstly, the first process is to form the enolate anion via strong base. So we will get the strong with stabilized enolate ion CH2H5 twice negative, Na positive, and 2 mole of the ethyl alcohol will be released here. In the second step, there is the addition of alkyl halide via SN2 mechanism. Now we have to check which alkyl halide is used. Now in this case we have to prepare the N-butyric acid, that means the alkyl halide which here added is the ethyl iodide. So we have ethyl iodide, and here we get CH3, CH2, CH and COOC2H5 twice, and sodium iodide will be released. Now in the next step, what is done? The hydrolysis is done. Firstly it will react with the NaOH solution and heating is done. So firstly it will convert into the sodium salt, CH3, CH2, CHCOO, Na, 2 positive CH3, CH2, CHCOO, Na2, and it again on addition with an acid like HCl convert into the dicarboxylic acid, CH3, CH2, CHCOH twice, and it again इस डाइकार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड को हम हीट करेंगे above its melting point, and we will get the monosubstituted alkyl monosubstituted acetic acid, that is the N-butyric acid, CH3 CH2 C double bond H. So this is the N-butyric acid, and here carbon dioxide will be released. So this is the procedure and it remains same if we have to prepare the monoalkyl acetic acid. The second example under this synthesis is, to prepare isovaleric acid. What is isovaleric acid? नेम से ही पता लग रहा है, आइसो मीन्स यहाँ पर क्या होंगे, सेम कार्बन एटम पे दो ग्रुप प्रेजेंट होंगे, सेम ग्रुप प्रेजेंट होंगे. सो मोनो अल्काइल एसिटिक एसिड है तो दिस ग्रुप्स रिमेन द सेम, एंड आइसोवेलरिक मीन्स वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर दिस. सो दिस इज आइसोवेलरिक एसिड. नाउ अगेन we have to take the malonic ester C double bond O, COO, C2H5 twice. Firstly, the reaction is with a strong base to form the enolate anion. जितने भी हमने सिंथेसिस पढ़नी है हर केस में फर्स्ट स्टेप जितने भी स्टेप्स हैं वो आपके पास क्या रहेंगे, सिमिलर रहेंगे. बस हमने जो यहाँ पर एल्काइल हैलाइड ऐड करना है या एसाइल ग्रुप ऐड करना है या बीटा कीटो एस्टर, जो भी हमने ऐड करना है वो हमने चेक करना पड़ेगा कि हमने प्रोडक्ट क्या बनाना है. सो इस केस में सबसे पहले अगेन क्या बनेगा आपके पास, C2H5 नेगेटिव Na पॉजिटिव, ये आपके पास इनोलेट आयन आया है. अगेन अब हमें प्रिपेयर क्या करना है, हमें रिएक्टेंट में आपके पास क्या चाहिए, वी हैव टू ऐड दिस ग्रुप. सो दैट मीन्स जो एल्काइल हैलाइड हमारे पास यहाँ होगा दैट इज आइसोप्रोपाइल ब्रोमाइड. सो यहाँ पर हम जो ऐड कर रहे हैं दैट इज CH3 CHBr, बिकॉज हमारे पास प्रोडक्ट में ये ग्रुप रिक्वायर्ड है तो हमें एल्काइल हैलाइड भी उसी को ध्यान में रखते हुए बनाना है. सो यहाँ पर आपके पास जो रिलीज होगा दैट इज सोडियम ब्रोमाइड and we will get here CH3 CH CH3 CH COO C2H5 twice. again अब हाइड्रोलिसिस होगी तो सबसे पहले इट विल रिएक्ट विद द एक्वस NaOH टू फॉर्म द सोडियम सॉल्ट. CH3 CH CH3 CH COO C2 OONA, क्योंकि यहाँ पर सोडियम से ही रिप्लेस हो जाएगा. एंड इट अगेन रिएक्ट विद एन एसिड टू फॉर्म दी डाइकार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. CH3 CH CH3 CH COOH ट्वाइस, दिस इज द डाइकार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. एंड इसको हम हीट करेंगे अबाउट इट्स मेल्टिंग पॉइंट टू फॉर्म दी आइसोवेलरिक एसिड. दैट मीन्स यहाँ से आपके पास एक डाइकार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप रिमूव हो जाएगा एंड वी विल गेट CH3 CH CH3 CH COOH. So this is the isovaleric acid. This is the isovaleric acid. Second synthesis जो हमने स्टडी करनी है that is the synthesis of dialkyl acetic acid. Dialkyl acetic acid, that means here we have this CH3 C double bond H. So in this case dialkyl means two hydrogens are replaced by the alkyl groups CH COOH. So in this two hydrogen will get replaced by the alkyl group. So in this reaction we have to prepare two methyl butanoic acid. 2-methyl butanoic acid. Now the process remain the same. The formula for 2-methyl butanoic acid means this group remains the same. So it is 1 2 3 and we have 2 methyl. So it is 2 methyl then butanoic acid. So this is CH3, sorry CH2 CH3 3 4. So it is 1 2 3 4. This is 2 methyl butanoic acid. Now firstly we will take the malonic ester CH2 COO C2H5 twice. It will react with a strong base like sodium ethoxide. The alcohol molecule will be released and we get the enolate anion CO C2H5 twice Na negative Na positive, and we have to get the 2 methyl. That means here firstly we add the methyl iodide. It will get CH3 COO C2H5 twice, and it again as it we have to form the dialkyl derivative and it contain one more acidic hydrogen. So again it will react with the strong base to form the enolate anion. Again CH3 C CO C2H5 negative Na पॉजिटिव, एंड देन प्रोडक्ट में हमें जो रिक्वायर्ड है 1 मिथाइल ग्रुप हमारा ऐड हो चुका है. नेक्स्ट वी हैव टू ऐड दिस ग्रुप, दैट इज द इथाइल ग्रुप. सो हियर इथाइल iodide is used, and we have here the released group is here the released group is sodium iodide, and we get CH3 C CH2 I can write here CH3 and it is COO C2H5 twice. So we will get this, the dialkyl substituted ester. In the second in the next step it will react with the aqueous NaOH, means hydrolysis done, and in hydrolysis we will get the sodium salt CH2 C CH3 COO C2H5 twice, here Na sodium, it will replace with the sodium group, and upon acidic hydrolysis, on the addition of acid, it will convert into the dicarboxylic acid CH3 CH2 C CH3 COOH dicarboxylic acid, and this carboxylic acid upon heating it will convert into the 2-methyl CH3 CH2 CH CH3 COOH. This is it, 2-methyl butanoic acid. So this is the formation of the synthesis of dialkyl acetic acid. The next synthesis which we have to study is synthesis of beta keto acids. Beta keto acids. So firstly we have an acetic acid CH3COOH. Beta keto means this is the alpha and the next carbon here is the beta, so we have to form the CH2COOH. so this is the alpha, the beta carbon will contain this group, and this is R, so this is the beta keto ester. So we have to prepare beta keto acid from the malonic ester. Now in this case the alkyl halide is replaced by the acyl group. like we have हम डिस्कस करेंगे इसमें. like सबसे पहले हमने जो स्टार्ट करना है that is with malonic ester. The first step is the same, in which a strong base will abstract the acidic hydrogen to form the enolate anion and ethyl alcohol will be released here. And in next case it will react with this group, because in product we have to need this product. So यहाँ पर हमारे पास क्या होगा, this enolate anion will attack on this carbon atom and to form the compound like this. In the next step the process is same. It will react, the hydrolysis done, it will react with aqueous sodium hydroxide RCO CHCOO Na twice. Again on addition of acid like HCl, it will convert into the dicarboxylic acid, and it again upon heating will change into the and carbon dioxide molecule will be released, and we get the RCO CH2CO, that is the beta keto acid. Again you have to also write here the side products which have released. Here NaCl is released. In this case we have to only heat, and here acid, and then this is the process. So this is the synthesis of beta keto ester. The fourth is synthesis of dicarboxylic acid. synthesis of dicarboxylic acid. So firstly जो हम study कर रहे हैं that is the 1,3 dicarboxylic acid synthesis. 1,3 dicarboxylic acid synthesis having formula 1,3 COOH COOH. So 1, 2, 3 and here we will get this. So dicarboxylic acids in which the two carboxylic groups are attached to the same carbon atoms, and they can be easily prepared by the mono or dialkylation of the malonic ester followed by the हाइड्रोलिसिस. मीन्स द प्रोसेस रिमेन्स द सेम. बस आपने क्या ध्यान रखना है कि आपके पास प्रोडक्ट में जो रिक्वायर्ड है उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप वहां पर एल्काइल हैलाइड ऐड करोगे या फिर एसाइल ग्रुप को ऐड करोगे. सो सपोज वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर 2 इथाइल मेलोनिक एस्टर एसिड 2 इथाइल मेलोनिक एसिड. तो इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले हमारे पास स्टार्टिंग सेम ही होगी. वी विल टेक दी मेलोनिक एस्टर CH2COC2H5 twice. Firstly it will react with the sodium ethoxide to form the enolate ion and alcohol molecule will be released CH2COOC2H5 negative Na positive, and we have to prepare the N-ethyl malonic ester. What is the formula for N-ethyl malonic ester? It is CH3 CH2 CH COOH COOH. This is the 2 ethyl. It is 1 2 3. So it is 2 ethyl malonic ester. So in this case the alkyl halide which is added is the ethyl chloride or it may be ethyl iodide. So we will get CH3 CH2 CH COOC2H5 twice. The next step is the hydrolysis. Firstly it will react with NaOH and here the side product released is NaCl. Now and upon heating it will convert into the sodium salt CH2 CHCOO Na twice, and it again on reaction with an acid will form the dicarboxylic acid having formula this CHCOOH twice, and this is the 2 ethyl malonic ester acid. So इस केस में हमें फर्दर हीटिंग की जरूरत नहीं है बिकॉज वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर द डाइकार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. द नेक्स्ट इज 1,4 dicarboxylic acid. 1,4 dicarboxylic acid. लाइक यहाँ पर हमने जो प्रिपेयर करना है दैट इज सक्सीनिक एसिड. वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर सक्सीनिक एसिड. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर सक्सीनिक एसिड? इट इज CH2COOH CH2COOH. नाउ इस केस में जो हम रिएक्ट कराएंगे इनोलेट को दैट इज विद अल्फा हेलो एस्टर, नॉट विद द एल्काइल हैलाइड. सो यहाँ पर हमने जो रिएक्ट कराना है वो अल्फा हेलो एस्टर के साथ, ना कि एल्काइल हैलाइड के साथ. सो द रिएक्शन इज फर्स्टली malonic ester react with the strong base sodium ethoxide to form the enolate anion twice negative Na positive. Then it will react with the alpha halo ester, and the alpha halo ester here is it is the ethyl bromoacetate, that is BrCH2COOC2H5. it is ethyl bromoacetate. This is ethyl bromoacetate and it is again the alpha halo ester. So on reaction with this we will get CHCOOC2H5 twice, and here this group attached CH2 COOC2H5 and sodium bromide will be released. Now The next process is the hydrolysis. So again it will react with NaOH. Upon heating we get CHCOO Na twice, CH2 COO Na. Yes. Next is the addition of an acid to form the dicarboxylic acid. CHCOOH twice, CH2 COO twice, and it upon heating will form the monocarboxylic, that is 1,4-dicarboxylic acid. So we get CH2 COH CH2 COOH. So this is the 1,2,3,4 dicarboxylic acid. So this is the procedure. The next is the preparation of 1,5-dicarboxylic acid. So यहाँ पर जो आपके पास इनोलेट आयन होगा वो 1,4 एडिशन शो करेगा with its alkyl derivative, or you can say an alpha beta unsaturated acid. तो यहाँ पर हमने एल्काइल हैलाइड की जगह यूज कर रहा है अल्फा बीटा अनसैचुरेटेड एस्टर, और हमारे पास यहाँ पर जो एडिशन होती है दैट इज 1,4 माइकल एडिशन. दिस इज कॉल्ड माइकल एडिशन. Suppose we have to prepare glutaric acid. So what is the formula for glutaric acid? It is CH2 COOH CH2 COOH. So this is glutaric acid. So firstly, the first process is same. What is that? We will take malonic ester. It will react with a strong base to form the enolate anion CHCOO C2H5 twice, negative Na positive, and this will react with the alpha beta unsaturated acid. So मैं दोबारा लिख रही हूँ. What is that alpha beta unsaturated acid? It is C double bond O CH double bond O CH2 O C2H5. This is alpha beta unsaturated ester. Now that means it is also named as ethyl acrylate. Now this ethoxide anion, this negative charge attack over this carbon atom, it will move here to this double bond, and here it is this. We get O negative C double bond CH CH2 CH C double OO C2H5 twice, and here the part remain the same. So this group will attach to this carbon atom and it will undergo a reversible reaction to form the compound CH2 CHCOO C2H5 twice O C2H5. इसको हम कैसे बता सकते हैं? दैट दिस नेगेटिव चार्ज विल मूव हेयर एंड दिस बॉन्ड पेयर विल मूव हेयर. Here it is the presence of negative charge, and this negative charge will abstract the proton. And the next process is the hydrolysis. Aqueous NaOH, we will get CH2. Upon heating we will get CH2 CHCOO Na twice, CH2 COO Na, and it will again react with an acid like HCl to form CH2 CHCOH twice to form the dicarboxylic acid CH2COOH, and again we will heat air, a carbon dioxide molecule will be released, and the product is the glutaric acid. So similarly, there are general method for preparing the 1,5 or 1,6 dicarboxylic acid. The process remain the same. Like next is the synthesis of 1,5 and 1,6 dicarboxylic acid. So firstly यहाँ पर जो हम प्रिपेयर करेंगे that is adipic acid. Adipic acid is CH2 CH2 COH CH2 CH2 COOH. So यहाँ पर हम क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहला सेम है कि इनोलेट एनायन होगा और उस इनोलेट एनायन को हम रिएक्ट कराएंगे एक डाईहेलाइड के साथ, दैट इज अल्फा ओमेगा डाईहेलाइड, जिसमें जो एंडिंग कार्बन एटम्स होते हैं उन पे क्या होता है, हेलाइड ग्रुप प्रेजेंट होता है. इट इज द इथाइलिन ब्रोमाइड. सो इट विल रिएक्ट विद द 2 मोल ऑफ द with the inolate anion. 2 NAB are released and the product we will get is this. And it again on further hydrolysis we will get the dicarboxylic acid. Firstly the sodium salt, and it upon react with an acid to form CH2CHCOH dicarboxylic acid in this form, and then we upon heating we will get the here 2 mole of carbon dioxide are released, we will get the adipic acid. So similarly 1,3 dicarboxylic acids can be prepared. The fifth is the synthesis of cycloalkane carboxylic acid. इस मेथड को हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में स्टडी करेंगे. थैंक यू.